Currency risk. What is currency risk? It is mainly affect the organization dealing with foreign exchange as the cash flow changes in the movement in exchange currency rate. Some country, all these currencies are based on the country's import and export. That is true. So when country started importing huge, the currency may inflate. So what is assessment? The parameters to identify the currency risk. Government action. Country will say, I won't, but BRICS currency is not going to be developed. So US currency going to dominate. Notional interest rate. Notional interest rate. What is the interest rate? So basic rate. Inflation rate. Based on the country's inflation, this may increase. National calamities. Some country may affected, so they need heavy amount of currency, so the rate may increase. War, cope, revolution. So some kind of war happened, then currency will increase. Change of government. Government Trump has came over, so that the currency is increasing. Management mitigation. Management as currencies, you can reduce the risk by shorting or putting option in the currency. That is the best option to secure the currency risk problem. That's the only problem, only way you can do. Or you can buy the currency now and keep it in the dormant. Other than that, there is no other way.